Welcome back to my ghetto studio. My name is kimi.elias. If you're a first timer here, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It helps me a lot. And if you're not familiar with this channel, I do anything and everything regarding photographing and filmmaking, video making, creating, whatever you want to call it. And today I am actually going to answer a question I've gotten a couple of times lately, and I just thought that why not make a video about it. Today's topic is how I edit my photos in Adobe Lightroom CC, I think it's called. I use the same technique for about 90% of my photos. I'm not using this technique for client photos because client photos I try to keep as simple as possible and they usually don't want anything like this. For my own Instagram photos, I've seen this technique work for me perfectly. I learned this technique from YouTube as well. I was checking out how to make a good car photography edit, and I just stumbled on this technique and then I adapted it to my own photos, first for car photos, and then I tried it on all kinds of photos and I liked it. So I continued doing it and now I use it all the time. So if you like this technique, please make it your own and subscribe. Do it. With that being said, let's just straight jump into Lightroom, and a little bit disclaimer. My computer is not the fastest one, so this might take a while. I'm sorry. Fire up Lightroom. I might have to speed it up a bit because, yeah, what the actual crap. I have no idea what's going on, so we're gonna make a new catalog. Let's just put something in there. Way to go. And we are going. Thanks, Adobe. I think we're up and running. So, first of all, I import all my photos from here. File, import photos and videos. I never import videos to Lightroom because why would I? And we're just gonna find the pictures. I went yesterday downtown to shoot some photos in totally the worst storm in a while. It's going on right now outside as well, so if you hear wind noise or anything like that, it's because of the storm. I haven't had a look at these photos, so this is actually the first time I'm seeing these photos after yesterday. We're gonna just import all for the sake of it and see how long this is gonna take. Shouldn't take that long. And what the hell this is, but I go through all these pictures and I use the keys to just start rating them. If I like the picture, I'm gonna give it a 1 star. Now it's green, I don't know what the... There we go. I'm gonna give them a 1 star if I like them and just nothing if I don't like them. So we're gonna speed this part up a bit. Okay, so now I have actually gone through all the pictures that I took yesterday and I gave them a 1 star, those who I want to edit, maybe, or even give a chance to. So I'm just gonna filter everything to rated and give it 1 star. So here you can see I got 16 pictures out of 424. And I think I actually wanna edit this one. So first off, what I want to do is crop the image to Instagram size 4x5. I think this could go a bit smaller. I'm trying to get the leading lines and to get the rule of thirds. I think this is pretty good. Let's see if it likes this one. Nope, skip. What I like to do first off, I take the radial filter, and because I got a subject that I want to highlight in the picture, I just throw the radial filter about on it, like this. There we go. And push invert, so now I can see that I selected like that part, nothing else. And for here, I'm gonna push the shadows way up. Gonna give it just, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like playing around, but this is what I use for all like 90% of my photos, so it somehow works. You just gotta try yourself towards what you like and push the clarity up. Probably dehaze it a little bit, yeah. Texture, nope, skip, fuck that. Yeah, let's keep it like that. And what I'm gonna do next is I gotta duplicate this filter, invert it again. So now I got selected everything that is around that second filter. So now I can make everything around it a bit darker. So with all these leading lines and with the rule of thirds and this radial filter, I'm just gonna make you look at this one. I'm actually gonna make the feather like way down. So now you can see when I push the feather upwards, it gives me this. So I'm gonna have it actually about there, 81. That's how I like it right now. And now when I put on the radial filters, I actually have bought presets from both Matti Haapoja and Peter McKinnon in 2017. I think this is Matti Haapoja's newest presets, and I use them because I like them. I haven't done my own yet. I should probably make my own, but I bought Matti's, so shout out to you, Matti. I actually usually look at this small picture up here because it gives me more, I can see it somehow clearer. Now, Neutral Cinematic by Matti Haapoja, shout out to. And basically, I am ready now. I'm totally happy with this picture at this moment. I might give it some push on the oranges. Just see what this does. I'm actually a bit colorblind, so not the best thing to be when I'm a photographer. So manipulate this a bit. I'm actually thinking about putting on some more rain on the picture. And what I'm gonna do next is actually open this picture in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, sir. And here we are. Oh, that was fast. But I downloaded somewhere from the World Wide Web a picture that looks like this. It's rain. Okay, this picture is pretty cool like this, but I want to add something a little bit extra. And I think this is gonna look pretty good. And it's small as hell, so we're gonna drag it up and destroy it. There we go. Here we go. We're gonna turn it a bit like this, and like this. And here we go. And we're gonna change the blend mode from normal to screen. That will mean that everything that is black is like, it's gonna disappear. What we wanna do next is just play around with this and just see how it will look. So I think here's some points that are a bit too obvious. So I'm just gonna erase some of them away. We're gonna do like this. Maybe hop some steps back. Go. And we're gonna make that actually a lot smaller. Just gonna do like this. And here we are. And now I'm just gonna save this. As I said, my computer is not the fastest, so I have no idea what's going on. Now it's saved. So we are gonna have a look back here. And there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the same technique, but on another photo. I think this was pretty cool. We're gonna try it out here. So first off, let's make it 4x5. We're gonna straight it up. That's about good. There we go. And because this is our subject, we want to highlight them. Invert the mask. Yeah, that's looking terrible. Alright, just give it a bit of a, hey, what up? I'm here. Turn that up. Turn up. Sorry. There we go. And then we are going to duplicate it, invert it again, and we are gonna start playing around with these bad boys. Alright, there we go. I like it like that. And then we start going through these. I think I already know which one is gonna look good. Peter has this red crush thing. Yep, that looks pretty dope. And now we're gonna play around with these a bit, give it a bit of luminance. Yeah, let's fuck that green. Okay, yeah, okay. Just give the push the blues up so we get that teal and orange look. Alright. That is good for now, and then I'm actually, because here is a bit of blue on this side, I'm just putting on a graduated filter and I'm gonna turn the temperature down, nothing else. Press done, and I'm gonna take another one from this side and put the temperature up. Okay, here we have to a little bit. Here we go. There we go. This looks pretty dope. Yeah. And we're gonna fire this up in Photoshop as well and just try the same technique with the exact same drops. Why aren't you opening? There we go. And here we're gonna just copy and paste this one in there. What is happening here? There we go. And we are Control T or Command T or something on your Mac. I have no idea. Make it huge and then give it a little bit of twist. There we go, and let's just press enter here. There we go. Opacity, take it down a bit. There we go. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Save this. You can see saving 99% probably in 10 minutes again. I need a new laptop, a new computer. Acer, if you want to send me a Concept D laptop for me to try out and maybe use for the rest of my life, you are more than welcome. My post address you can find now. I'm not gonna give it there. DM me. We sort it out. But now when I'm happy with these two pictures, I am actually gonna select them and then I export them. I'm gonna export them to exact same place where I took them. So here, there we go, and just in here somewhere. Yes, just full reso always. I like it full reso. Now it's exporting 2 files for like probably half an hour again. Now, there we go, it's ready. And then I'm actually firing up Lightroom CC, Lightroom Mobile, so I can transfer the pictures straight to my mobile without losing any information, because I don't have AirDrop or anything like that. So, and I have Google Drive, but come on. And here we are, just review for import and add 2 photos. And now they are updating to my phone. And then I'm just gonna put them on Instagram. And that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of the video. If you want to know more about the whole Lightroom setup and everything, drop a comment down below. I'm more than happily here to teach you guys. That's why I started this whole thing, because I've gotten so much out of YouTube, so I want to give it back to YouTube as well. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, share to your friend, leave a comment, and yeah, we're gonna see you next week, probably, maybe even this week, I'm not sure. I have a video ID next week and I'm going up to Lapland to film a wedding, so might do something around that part, but I might do some video up in Lapland, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got something out of this. Just peace out. See you.